naye kakati Museveni yakola mistake. He has allowed people to go with what even more than they brought. That's why our currency is losing value every day. Nagenze olinti ntemerawo nyama o kilo yembuzi mzee kakaga last week naguze ono nyama mtolo gumumu 10. Lero mzee liko kakaga. You see that type of economy. After 1 week enyama nechuka bei. Enyama yo kukasika busisi mu nyumba omulye enva. That is a very bad sign. That means we might even in Christmas buy enyama ku mitwalo each. Oba ku mwaka mupya we might buy a kilo of meat. Ate musala gw'abantu tegukyuka. That's how bad our economy is.
So the solution is on that top.
The average salary of Ugandan is 1 million. Olabotya eyumbo average. Ekyo kirungi kweli. Ka million kati. Ka Uganda kano.
Kuko 30% eza URA.
That's the average income. 1 million per month. Singa siya feri bulungi singa tugamba average income the average Ugandan is earning 10 million. Government, yes, the man can cough, man. Instead of coughing, get me a kawish out. No mchala wange mweka wish. You deduct my money. That's what they call economics. Yeah, musaja mubanga average income ya Uganda 1 million onava yo disable. Then another unfortunate thing of Uganda, the economy is only in 1% of the population.
1%.
The economy ya Uganda eno. This 1% be baji controlling.
99%.
Muda ambo naku.